Hey, awesome musicians, this is BenJammin, and today we're working on the song I'm By Your Side by Edie Brickell and Steve Martin. We're using the chords, well, a whole bunch of wonderful chords, A, B minor. There's the A, the B minor, C, D, and E minor. And, yeah, alright, let's take it from the top. And here's the intro, which is the E minor, B minor, A, and then to the D. You can look in a mirror and never see yourself. You're the light on the water, you're the ringing of the bell. I'm by your side. I'm right by your side. You can cry till you can't cry, set free from all your tears. You can dream till you can't dream, wake up and find me here. I'm by your side. I'm right by your side. We're in this together. Haven't you noticed me by now? We're in this together. You can stand at the crossroads, choose love and life or death. You can stand at the crossroads, you won't be by yourself. I'm by your side. I'm right by your side. Awesome. Keep up the great work, awesome musicians, and have an amazing day. Later.